Today we're gonna be setting up our backyard pool. It's the hottest day of the year. Today is supposed to be, it's 76, so I got all these things from Amazon, from Walmart, and we're gonna be blowing up this 10-foot pool for the kids. I also got some extra stuff that they would think they would enjoy. This squirt gun. It's kind of like a squirt gun. I got those tarps to protect the pool. I got a baby float for the baby and some fishing toys for the kids, and then I got some ring floats, but it hasn't arrived yet, and we're gonna be setting up the pool over there. Originally I was gonna set it up on the concrete, but it's not safe for the kids, so we're setting it up over here. So let's get started. Okay, let me go inside. What did you say?
I thought it was a pool.
It's just that, Naomi. It's the tarp. That's where you're gonna swim. Yeah? Is that okay? Yeah?
This?
That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's good. Is that good?
No, no putting water here. It will just fall off.
Okay, I'm gonna put the pool up. So here's the pool.
Here we go, take it out.
Yeah.
Yay! Tiny thing. Tiny.
Okay, let's bring it over there. Let's read the instruction.
Read the instruction and I will get this thing.
Let me just wait, Naomi.
Hold up.
Inflatable pool.
Get ready.
Naomi, what's that thing that fell?
That's the thing that...
Okay, just give it to me. Give me the paper. There's another one over there.
Well.
This one is...
Well. Mom.
Okay. And that one, what's that?
Which one?
Sticker. Clean repair. Oh, this is the repair patch. Naomi, we're not bringing it there. No, not right there. Over there. This is kind of heavy.
Yes, Mom.
Get the other side, Naomi. I'll get this.
Yes, I'll get the teal side for Mommy.
Okay.
Let's put it inside.
Woo! Okay, let's open it up.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open.
And pull it here. Pull it the other side. Pull. Is it open? Show them the hole for the water to drain the water, and this is the hole for blowing it up.
Oh, this is long.
So there's 1, 2,
Chubby and big.
and 3. So let's start feeling. It's pretty big. So let's check the number.
What do you do it? I just trying to see what Mommy doing.
Thank you.
I shall go over there and you will be ready to turn on the hose.
That's the first layer.
Wait! I'm gonna get inside.
Wait. So we're gonna so this is just a 10 feet. Wait, not yet.
It looks like a big giant soap.
Okay, so we're in the grass right now, so let's make sure. No, we're not gonna get inside shallow. We're gonna have to put water in it first. So make sure it's not yet. Not yet, just wait. Okay, so here. Pool party. Now we're gonna get the hose. What happened to my plan?
It broke it last day.
Okay, let's start. Let's time it. Okay, hold it, Yomi. Don't let it go. Hold it, Yomi. My goodness. It's 3:46. Let's see how long does it take to fill the thing. You excited?
Yes.
Make sure that the drain is fully closed.
I saw we had to come with us.
Okay, that's good.
Mom, you can let it. Go! Yeah, go over there.
Don't waste the water.
Sit down there.
Yomi, no acting crazy here.
Do you want if I get this one? This? There's one. There's one swimming. Ooh, let's get this. What is this?
AB, you having fun, AB?
I catching fish. Catching a fish. Which fish I wanna get?
Catch a fish, Abe. There's a fish. You wanna help?
Mama, I can't get the big fish. I get it. Whoa! Mama! Oh!
Careful.
Blah, 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 blah.
I'm good for you, buddy.
See the Kelly?
I'm good for you. You like the water? You like the
I
water?
got a green fish.
Woo!
I think
Do you like the water?
it's fish. How do you get this turn? Hi, Papa. I'll put my things on this. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Hi. Mama, can I go inside the cloud?
Okay. Hi, buddy.